Okay, this is unboxing of GoPro 3-way grip arm tripod. Includes extension arm, grip, and tripod. Long thumb screw. It's a camera grip, extension arm, and tripod, and it folds to fit in your pocket too. Cool. Compatible with all GoPro cameras. Unboxing. GoPro, be a hero. Nice. Wow. So you just need to remove this, and this is lock. Okay. Inside with a long thumb screw. This is a long thumb screw included inside. Okay. So this is the 3-way GoPro 3-way. You can attach a GoPro here. Okay, this is the screw. So if you want to loosen up or make it tight, this is the screw. Okay, just attach a GoPro here. This is the lock. Okay, you can lock it. Okay. You can remove from here and adjust, make it tight. Yeah. Make it tight. And also remove this like that. Pull. Then attach a GoPro here directly. You can screw it also. You can open here. This one you can open. Then pull it for the tripod. Screw, open. Put your GoPro here, and it can stand. It's a tripod. Okay, nice. Just fold it back, unscrew, put it inside, screw it again. Okay. So from here, if you're gonna return it, just insert here, just align it very well, then screw it again, make it tight. Okay, then it's okay. Then press this to release the lock, then it's okay. GoPro 3-way.